Join me as I take on the challenge of getting up close and personal with lions in South Africa. Will I survive this wild encounter? Wild lion encounters in South Africa are a fascinating experience, essential for wildlife enthusiasts who crave adventure and a deeper understanding of these majestic creatures. Lions in their natural habitat face numerous challenges, including conservation issues and human-wildlife conflict, which threaten their survival. Habitat loss and fragmentation have reduced lion prides to isolated groups, making it difficult for them to survive. Human-wildlife conflict arises when lions encroach on human settlements and farms, leading to retaliatory attacks against them. Conservation efforts are underway to protect lion habitats and reduce human-wildlife conflict, but more needs to be done to ensure the long-term survival of these incredible animals. Lion prides are complex social structures, and disrupting them can have far-reaching consequences for the entire ecosystem. Lions play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, and their loss could have catastrophic effects on the environment. The encounter took place in a remote area of South Africa, known for its abundant lion population. The types of lions encountered were majestic males with impressive manes, and the experiences of those involved were nothing short of exhilarating. Being in close proximity to these powerful creatures was a humbling experience, and one that commanded respect. The lions were observed in their natural habitat, doing what comes naturally to them, hunting, playing, and interacting with each other. Witnessing this behavior was a privilege, and one that provided valuable insights into the social dynamics of lion prides. The location of the encounter was breathtaking, with rolling hills and vast plains as far as the eye could see. As the encounter progressed, the thrill of being so close to these wild animals became almost overwhelming. Every moment was intense, and the air was electric with anticipation. The sounds of the lions' roars and the rustling of leaves under their paws created an immersive experience that was hard to forget. The most thrilling moment of the encounter was when a lioness began to stalk her prey, her movements stealthy and calculated. The tension was palpable as she crept closer and closer, her eyes fixed on the unsuspecting animal. The emotions and reactions of the people present were mixed. Some were scared, while others were excited and fascinated by the spectacle unfolding before them. Fear and excitement gripped those present as the lioness pounced, and the outcome was far from certain. The reaction was instantaneous, with gasps and screams filling the air as the lioness missed her prey by a hair's breadth. The emotions that followed were a mix of relief and awe, as the reality of what had just happened sank in. The encounter was a sobering reminder of the importance of respecting wildlife and conservation efforts. It highlighted the need to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats, not just for their sake, but for the sake of the entire ecosystem. The experience was a powerful reminder of the beauty and majesty of nature, and the need to preserve it for future generations. This wild lion encounter was an experience that will stay with me forever, a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. Join the conversation in the comments below and let me know what you think, and if you're ready for more wildlife adventures, check out my next video where I explore the fascinating world of elephants in the savannah. Welcome to our thrilling exploration of one of the most exhilarating experiences in South Africa, hunting lions. In this video, we dive deep into the wild heart of the African savanna, where the majestic king of the jungle roams. Imagine standing in the midst of breathtaking landscapes, surrounded by the sounds of nature, as you prepare for an adventure that few will ever experience. Hunting lions is not just about the chase, it's a test of skill, strategy, and respect for these magnificent creatures. As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the challenges that come with tracking and facing lions in their natural habitat. From understanding their behavior to navigating the unpredictable terrain, every moment is filled with excitement and anticipation. We'll also discuss the ethical considerations and conservation efforts that play a crucial role in this unique pursuit. So, if you're ready to feel the adrenaline rush and learn about the complexities of lion hunting, stay tuned. This video promises to be both informative and adventurous, giving you a front row seat to one of South Africa's wildest hunts. Grab your gear, and let's get started on this unforgettable journey. The setting: South Africa's wilderness. South Africa is a land of stunning contrasts, where breathtaking landscapes and rich ecosystems come together to create a hunting paradise. From the rolling hills of the Drakensberg Mountains to the vast, open plains of the Karoo, the country boasts a diverse array of environments that are home to an incredible variety of wildlife. As we venture into this wild terrain, you'll encounter everything from majestic elephants and graceful giraffes to the elusive leopard, all coexisting in a delicate balance that highlights the region's remarkable biodiversity. The significance of South Africa's wilderness cannot be overstated. It is one of the world's most biologically diverse regions, with numerous national parks and reserves dedicated to preserving its unique flora and fauna. This rich tapestry of life not only enhances the hunting experience but also serves as a reminder of the importance of conservation efforts in protecting these magnificent creatures. As we explore the rugged beauty of the savanna, the vibrant colors of the sunsets, and the sounds of wildlife echoing through the air, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the environment that surrounds us. This stunning backdrop sets the stage for an unforgettable adventure, where every moment is filled with the thrill of the hunt, and the awe of nature's wonders. Understanding lion behavior. To successfully hunt lions, it's essential to understand their behavior and social structure in the wild. Lions are unique among big cats, living in groups known as prides, which typically consist of several related females, their cubs, and a few dominant males. This social dynamic plays a crucial role in their hunting strategies. Female lions, or lionesses, are the primary hunters, often working together to stalk and ambush prey. Their cooperative hunting techniques allow them to take down larger animals, showcasing their intelligence and teamwork. Understanding these pride dynamics is vital for anyone looking to hunt lions. Knowledge of their territory, feeding patterns, and social interactions can significantly increase the chances of a successful hunt. For instance, recognizing when the pride is active or resting can help hunters plan their approach more effectively. However, it's equally important to emphasize the need for respect when hunting wildlife. Lions are not just targets, they are magnificent creatures that play a vital role in their ecosystem. Ethical hunting practices ensure that we honor their existence while also contributing to conservation efforts. By respecting their behavior and habitat, we can enjoy the thrill of the hunt while safeguarding the future of these incredible animals. The equipment, rifles and gear. When it comes to hunting lions, having the right equipment is crucial for both safety and effectiveness. The choice of rifle is paramount, and for big game hunting, calibers such as .375 and H Magnum, .416 Rigby, or .458 Winchester Magnum are often recommended. These powerful rifles provide the stopping power needed to take down a lion quickly and humanely, ensuring a responsible hunt. In addition to the rifle, proper ammunition is essential. High-quality, controlled expansion bullets are preferred, as they ensure maximum penetration and effectiveness upon impact. Safety gear also plays a vital role in the hunting experience. A reliable pair of binoculars, a sturdy hunting knife, and a first aid kit are must-haves. Additionally, wearing appropriate clothing, such as camouflage and durable boots, can enhance both comfort and stealth during the hunt. Technology has revolutionized modern hunting practices, making it easier and safer than ever. GPS devices help hunters navigate the terrain, while trail cameras can provide insights into lion movements and behaviors. Rangefinders allow for precise distance measurements, ensuring accurate shots. By combining traditional skills with modern technology, hunters can enhance their experience while prioritizing safety and ethical practices in the wild. The hunt, strategies and techniques. Embarking on a lion hunt requires meticulous planning and preparation to ensure a successful and ethical experience. Before setting out, hunters must familiarize themselves with the terrain, weather conditions, and the specific behaviors of the pride they intend to track. This groundwork is essential, as it allows hunters to anticipate lion movements and identify potential hunting grounds. Experienced hunters employ various techniques during the hunt, each tailored to the unique challenges posed by these majestic animals. One common method is tracking, where hunters follow fresh tracks and signs of lion activity, such as scat or claw marks. Another technique is ambush hunting, where hunters strategically position themselves near waterholes or known feeding areas, waiting patiently for the lions to approach. Patience and skill are paramount in the field. Lions are highly intelligent, and can sense human presence, making stealth crucial. Hunters must remain quiet and observant, ready to adapt their strategies as the situation unfolds. The ability to read the environment and understand lion behavior can make all the difference in a successful hunt. Ultimately, the combination of thorough preparation, diverse techniques, and a patient mindset creates an exhilarating and respectful hunting experience in the wild. Ethics of hunting lions. The ethics of hunting lions is a complex and often contentious topic that sparks passionate debate among conservationists, hunters, and the general public. On one hand, proponents argue that regulated hunting can contribute to conservation efforts by generating revenue for wildlife management and local communities. This funding can be used to protect habitats and support anti-poaching initiatives, ultimately benefiting lion populations and their ecosystems. However, critics raise concerns about the impact of hunting on lion populations, particularly in regions where numbers are already declining due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. They argue that hunting for sport can undermine conservation efforts and lead to unsustainable practices that threaten the very species hunters seek to protect. The challenge lies in finding a balance between sustainable hunting practices and the preservation of wildlife. Encouraging responsible hunting practices is essential for ensuring that lion hunting contributes positively to conservation. This includes adhering to regulations, selecting ethical hunting outfits, and prioritizing the well-being of the animals and their habitats. By promoting a mindset of respect for wildlife and understanding the broader ecological implications, hunters can play a vital role in supporting conservation efforts while enjoying the thrill of the hunt. Ultimately, ethical hunting should align with the goal of preserving these magnificent creatures for future generations. Safety measures in the field. When hunting lions, prioritizing safety is paramount to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience in the wilderness. One of the most important safety measures is to always have a guide or an experienced partner by your side. These professionals possess invaluable knowledge of the terrain, lion behavior, and emergency protocols, significantly reducing the risks associated with hunting in such a dynamic environment. In addition to having a guide, hunters must adhere to specific safety protocols when encountering lions. If you spot a lion, it's crucial to remain calm and avoid sudden movements. Back away slowly while keeping the lion in sight, and never turn your back on the animal. Understanding lion body language can also help you gauge their mood and intentions, allowing you to react appropriately. Situational awareness is essential in the wilderness. Hunters should constantly assess their surroundings, noting potential hazards such as other wildlife, uneven terrain, or changes in weather. Staying alert and being mindful of sounds and movements can help you anticipate any dangers. By combining these safety measures with a respectful approach to the hunt, you can enhance your experience while ensuring the well-being of both yourself and the magnificent lions you seek to encounter. In this video, we've taken you on an exhilarating journey into the world of lion hunting in South Africa, highlighting the thrill and challenges that come with facing these majestic creatures with rifles. From understanding lion behavior and pride dynamics to employing effective hunting strategies, we've explored the intricacies of this unique experience. However, it's essential to reflect on the ethical aspects of hunting. As we discussed, the debate surrounding conservation versus sport hunting is complex, and responsible practices are crucial for ensuring the sustainability of lion populations and their ecosystems. By prioritizing ethical hunting, we can enjoy the excitement of the hunt while contributing positively to wildlife conservation efforts. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and a deeper appreciation for the wild. If you enjoyed our exploration of lion hunting and want to learn more about wildlife adventures, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow enthusiasts who might be interested in the captivating world of hunting and conservation. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more thrilling content in the future.